Today, I got something super crazy for y'all. Y'all ain't ever seen something in that finish. So let's go ahead and unbox that wheel. So over here we got the Forgiato Quadri. This is done in a 3-piece step lip, which is part of their Technica series. This wheel has got the most premium finishes, starting with the rose gold lips and the brushed titanium face. On top of that, we had to finish it up with that hidden hardware. So what is hidden hardware? Hidden hardware is when you have a multi-piece wheel, whether it's a dual block or a 3-piece, and you put all the hardware only in from the back, and when you look at the front, there's nothing else to see. Gives it that nice clean look, and a lot of customers appreciate having to clean a little bit less. So to wrap up this wheel, we had to finish it off with those billet center caps. These wheels are 21 by 12. They're specifically tailored to fit a Lamborghini Huracan, and I can't wait to see these on the car. So if you want to see more projects like this, make sure you're tuning in every week and you see what we're doing on those Tuesdays and those Fridays. Enjoy.